Hi guys, and welcome to a coffee video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a white chocolate iced mocha. So the difference being it's like an iced latte, but because it's mocha it has to have the foam on top. Well, white chocolate is not a hot chocolate powder, so it's a syrup. The reason that we're going to do something slightly different is because the syrup has to be blended into the milk. So yeah, without further ado, let's get straight into it. I'll show you how to make it. Have a go yourself and let me know in the comments how you got on. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this in real time, not by the magic of YouTube, and I'm going to do all things at the same time. So I'm going to produce my espresso, I'm going to get the milk ready, I'm going to get the ice. We'll get it all done just in one shot. So you can see how quick it really is. So this is a Tefal blend force. It has a pulse setting on it, and the ideal way to make your white chocolate or even chocolate mocha is to use that pulse setting, because you're not going for a full blend. We've not got to chop up any ice. We want to be in control of the finish of the milk. So let's get straight into it. I'm just going to pour the milk straight. I'm not going to measure it because we know, I'm sure that is plenty. Doesn't matter if we have any waste particularly. You can measure it if you want to in your cup and pour it in. I'm not measuring the chocolate sauce either. I'm just going to put lots in there, and at the same time I'm going to pop some in the bottom here. So plenty of white chocolate, give it that lovely chocolate flavour that we all know and love. We'll pop the lid on the blender so that we don't end up wearing the mocha. I'm going to get the espresso started. Okay, so I'm just going to get my espresso organised. First thing I've done is I've ground into the group handle. I've tamped, I've levelled, I've tamped, I've wiped. Got it on. So I pop the group handle onto the machine, put my espresso cup and dispense. I'm just going to go quickly and put some ice straight into the glass. Here we go. Luckily for me, I've got a freezer that also produces ice like this. So there we go. I'll pop that in. We've prepared the milk, and with mocha, shots in the bottom. And there we go. Done. That's really quick. Really quick. What I like to do as well is just pop some white cappuccino dusting on the top. Perfect. Pop the jug back, the lid back on, so we know, give that a wash after. Move this out of the way so you can see it better. There we go. White chocolate iced mocha. Okay, so I'm hoping that you'll see that that was a really fast way of making an iced mocha. So here we go, the final product. You can see the chocolate at the bottom, you can see the coffee, the foam on the top. Absolutely perfect. So I think I probably made that in under a minute. The espresso dispense time was 20 seconds. Probably takes 20 or 30 seconds to spin the milk and pulse the milk round in the blender. Add in the ice, add in the white chocolate sauce in the bottom. Less than a minute. Really easy to make, really fast. Let's go in for a taste test and see what it's like. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I really love that. Really, really love that. Really tasty, really easy to make. Pop the lid on, pop a straw in the car, on your way to work, on your way out, whatever you want to do with it. Absolutely brilliant. So I hope you like watching this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. I hope you have a go and make it too. Let me know in the comments how well it goes. If it doesn't go well, let me know that as well. But definitely give us a like, give us a subscribe if you want to see some more, and I will see you next time.